हाय स्टूडेंट्स, गुड इवनिंग। आज हम आप सभी को चैप्टर 16 द स्पेकल्ड बैंड के इस लेसन का सभी एक्सरसाइज करवाएंगे। इस चैप्टर का फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। यहाँ पे हमें टिक करना है 4 विकल्प में से किसी एक को जो उचित हो। तो पहला सेंटेंस है विच ऑफ दीज प्लेसेस हैड डॉक्टर रॉयलॉट लिव्ड इन। इसके लिए हम ऑप्शन नंबर 4 को टिक करेंगे, इंडिया। सेकंड है व्हाट वाज द स्पेकल्ड बैंड। इसके लिए ऑप्शन सेकंड को हम टिक करेंगे, स्वैम्प एडर। तीसरा है सी हाउ मच मनी वुड डॉक्टर रॉयलॉट हैव हैड टू पे हिज डॉटर्स हैड दे गॉट मैरिड। तो सी के लिए हम 250 पाउंड्स आ ईयर, इसको टिक करेंगे, सेकंड को। और लास्ट है व्हाई डिड होल्म्स हिट द वेल रोप। इसके लिए हम फर्स्ट को टिक करेंगे, टू मेक द स्नैक गो बैक। ये हमारा फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है। सेकंड एक्सरसाइज है आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस। इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है वेयर हैड डॉक्टर रॉय लॉट मेट हेलेंस मदर। इसका आंसर बहुत ही छोटा है, हम लोग लिखेंगे डॉक्टर रॉय लॉट had met Helen's mother in India. Second question, what does Miss Stoner say about her stepfather's violent nature? इसका आंसर होगा before he married Helen's mother, Dr. Roylott came from a poor family. He was a doctor and known known to be a violent man. She recalls that in India he had once got angry with his butler and beat him up. तीसरा क्वेश्चन है Why did Dr. Roylott wish to kill Miss Stoner and her sister? इसका आंसर होगा If the girls would have got married, then Dr. Roylott would have had to give them 250 pounds every year. Since he did not wish to share the inheritance, he decided to kill the sister instead. अगला क्वेश्चन है Why did the family not have any servants? आंसर लिखेंगे हेलेन एंड जूलिया apostrophes stepfather was a violent man. He was known to beat up servants, which is why no one probably stuck stuck around the house. The other reasons may have been that he did not want to spend money paying paying salaries for servants. Next question, what event had occurred in Julia Stoner's life just before she died? इसका आंसर होगा just before she died Julia had met a young man who asked to marry her. Her stepfather had agreed to the marriage. अगला क्वेश्चन, what were the mysterious circumstances of Julia Stoner's death? इसका आंसर होगा जूलिया died under mysterious circumstances. The police could not understand how she could have died. The door was locked and nobody could have gone inside her room. They also did not find any poison in her body. Helen remembered hearing Julia scream, 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 followed by a whistle, whistle, whistles, just before Julia breathed, breathed her last. Her words were, "It was the band, the speckled band." However, no one could figure out what that was. अगला क्वेश्चन, what was the immediate reason for Helen Stoner seeking Sherlock Holmes' help? इसका आंसर होगा हेलेन was afraid for her life. She was about to get married and was frightened that she might meet the same fate as her sisters. Just a few days ago, she had moved into Julia's old room. More importantly, she had heard the whistle, whistle the night before. अगला क्वेश्चन, why did Holmes hit the bell rope? इसका आंसर होगा Holmes saw a snake on the bell rope. He hit the bell rope in order to drive the snake away. Next question, what sight did they see when they entered Dr. Roylott's room? इसका आंसर होगा when they entered the room, they saw that Dr. Roylott was dead. He was sitting on a chair and his eyes were fixed on the air vent, vent. Around his head was a strange yellow speckled band. Question number J. What was the speckled band? इसका आंसर होगा द स्पेकल्ड बैंड वाज ए स्वैम्प एडर, SWAMP, स्वैम्प, ADDER, एडर, द deadliest, DEADLIEST, deadliest snake in India. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, what was Dr. Roylott's plan and how did it backfire? इसका आंसर हम लोग लिखेंगे डॉक्टर रॉयलॉट had got the snake with him from India. As a doctor, he knew that this snake's poison would be difficult to find in a dead body. Every night, he would put the snake through the air vent, vent, and it would go down the well rope and on to the bed where Julia slept. Every night he whistled to call it back. Julie, Julie, eventually died because of this snake's bite. Helen would have died the same way had Sherlock, Sherlock not hit the well rope. When he did that, the snake became angry and bent back through the air vent. It ended up killing Dr. Roylott himself. Thank you.